Meaning of detectable.
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 Detectable. The term detectable refers to something that can be perceived or noticed through one's senses or instruments designed to do so. In other words, detectable means that something can be recognized or identified either visually, audibly, tactually, or by using instrumentation. For instance, in medical testing, a detectable virus is one that can be identified through diagnostic techniques, such as PCR tests or antigen tests. Similarly, in wildlife management, a detectable population refers to the number of individuals that can be observed, counted, or monitored using wildlife surveys or camera traps. Overall, detectable describes the capability to discover or observe something that would otherwise remain hidden or unnoticed.